Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Free Tip Friday. We're here on number 18, and Todd's ball landed in a divot. You can't see my ball. I'm all the way up there. I'm good. I'm good. I'm up there about 15, 20, 25,
at least
maybe
25.
maybe 30 yards.
Maybe 30, yeah.
But it happens, right? Rub of the green. You got to play it. So, there's a few different ways to play this shot, but there's, you can hit it in the middle of the divot right there, the way that's laying, or it can lie in the front of the divot or the back of the divot. Here we have the middle of the divot. Todd, how would you play this shot?
Well, because there's really nothing that's going to affect how the club face makes contact with the ball, I would just play this just like a regular shot. With maybe moving it back maybe just a half inch or so in my stance, just to ensure like ball first contact and hit down on it just a little bit more.
Correct.
Now, if I was to walk up and to find the golf ball in the back of the divot like this, to where now all of a sudden it's going to be really difficult to get the club on the ball, then I'm going to play that ball back in my stance. And if you put the ball back in your stance, that's going to shift the path out to the right. So here we got water right? So I don't want that. So then I'm going to adjust for that by aiming a little bit more to the left.
All right, let's see. We want to hit it out of the middle or the back? Let's see out of the back.
I'll go out of the back.
I'll go how to hit it out of the middle of it.
No, it's at least making manipulation, right? So again, I know that since the ball is, I'm going to play this back in my stance, the swing's going to be a little bit more down and out. So I'm going to go aim a little more to the left. And again, that's going to encourage more of a draw type of shot. So I'm going to play this a little bit more like a punch shot. Back, through, drive through that divot.
Wow. That's a good swing there.
Thanks.
I mean, that was solid. And you can see in the camera shot, you did have that pretty far back in the stance. That was good.
Yeah.
Definitely hit solid contact. Definitely tougher to hit it out of the back of the divot than the front or the middle. So when you have this situation out here, don't get depressed, don't get mad. It happens, but just follow these tips and you'll be all right. We'll see you next week on Free Tip Friday.